In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unusual activity detected error on Elevenlabs. Encountering errors while trying to access various online services can be really frustrating, and the unusual activity detected error on Elevenlabs is no exception. But don't worry, we'll walk through a series of steps to help resolve this issue so you can get back on track without any hassle. First up, you'll want to open your browser and head into the settings. This might be called Options or Preferences depending on what browser you're using. Once you're there, you'll want to locate your browsing data settings. Clearing your browser cache and cookies is a great starting point, and it often resolves many common issues. Cookies can sometimes store outdated or conflicting data, so wiping them clean gives you a fresh start when accessing websites. Next, if you're using a VPN or a proxy, consider disabling it temporarily. VPNs and proxies are great tools for privacy, but they can sometimes trigger security flags on websites like Elevenlabs, which may result in unusual activity errors. By turning them off, even just for a while, you might find that you can access the site more smoothly. Now, another nifty trick is to try accessing Elevenlabs in private browsing mode, also known as incognito mode. This mode doesn't use the stored cookies or cached data on your browser, giving you a clean session each time. It's a helpful step in pinpointing if stored data is what's causing the problem. Moving on, we should check your browser extensions. Some extensions, particularly those related to security or privacy, may interrupt how websites function. If you suspect any of your extensions might be causing the issue, try disabling them one by one and check if that resolves the problem. Remember to be considerate when using the service. Avoid spamming the API or user interface with multiple requests in a short period. This could be flagged as suspicious activity by Elevenlabs automated systems, so keeping your usage moderate and within their terms of service is vital. If, after following all these steps, the issue still persists, the best course of action is to contact Elevenlabs support team directly. They are in the best position to offer specific guidance and support, especially if there is something about your account or usage that is triggering the error. And there you have it. A straightforward set of actions to take when you're facing that bothersome, unusual activity detected error with Elevenlabs. I hope this helps you get back to a smooth and productive experience. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.